Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back. I hope you'll join me as I decorate a new centerpiece for my dining room table. This is a centerpiece I am using right now and have been since about mid-June, and even though it is absolutely lovely and I love the look of it, I'm ready for something a little more calming and streamlined. So let's get started. With a clean bare table, I added a gorgeous oval tray to the middle. The tray itself was a thrifted find which I gave a makeover to, and I'll link that below. I picked up a beautiful bouquet of flowers from my local farmer's market and placed them inside of a gorgeous ironstone pitcher, which I layered on top of the tray. Glass pieces add the perfect amount of sparkle to our home decor this time of year, so I wanted to add this gorgeous footed bowl with a silver rim to my tray next to add a little height and a little sparkle. And in case I forget to mention, most of the items I'm using today have been found at the thrift store. Next up, I have this beautiful coffee cup. It is an ironstone piece and I love the shape and I adore the handles. It is by Independence Ironstone, and I'm going to put this off to the opposite side of the pitcher and then layer another one inside of it. Next, I'm going to take this beautiful fluted glass shaker with a beautifully tarnished cover, and I'm going to place this on the tray off to the side, kind of behind the mugs a little bit, and then I'm going to stack the other one kind of kitty corner behind it. The next thing I wanted to add was this fluted dish right here. I love the fluted sides and the scalloped look from the top. They're originally from Pure One, I believe, but of course I found them at the thrift store. I had two of them, so I went ahead and stacked them sort of in the middle, but off to the side just a little bit. And then, because I'd like to add a little bit of candlelight to pretty much every display that I put together, I found this gorgeous tulip-shaped tea light holder, added a tea light to the inside, and then stacked that on top of the small white dishes. You could even consider adding a battery-operated tea light that comes on automatically. Those things are amazing. And then finally, to the mix, I'm going to add this gorgeous spoon that I found at the thrift store. I love the details on the spoon, the head of the spoon, and then of course I love the details on the handle of the spoon as well. And the fact that it's got a little bit of tarnish going on makes it even more beautiful in my mind. After arranging things a little bit, the spoon didn't fill up that open gap on the tray as much as I would have liked. So what I plan to do is add two more matching spoons into the mix to sort of try to fill up that space a little bit better. So as you can see here, I placed the spoons and then I kind of fanned out the handles a little bit, and I think that is going to do the trick to fill in that gap on the tray without having to add something else to the tray, which would add a little bit more of a visual weight to the mix. I think this is a great compromise. And with that, I am calling this display complete. I am really loving the look. It's light and airy, just what I wanted, and I'm really enjoying the mixture of the white dishes and ironstone with the sparkling glass and the little touches of silver. I very much hope you enjoyed today's video. I am loving the fact that this new centerpiece has given my dining room a brand new look. I would love to know your thoughts down in the comments. And of course, if you could, give this video a thumbs up. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye now.